Hey, Faces Man 11, how are you doing? Let's see. We are still building this madness. And now we copy you over. Double it. Good. There will probably also be a need of a roboport in the middle somewhere. And now we basically have to do the same belt magic we did down here. Up here. So how did we do this? I've already immediately forgot. And also let's use yellow. So these go in. These go in. These go in. So in. You go down, you go down, you go down. Hey, Stars and Stripes! How many mods do I have in my game? Just type !mods in the chat and you will get the list. But it's basically Bobs and Angels with a bit of LTN in the mix. And if you're not getting a whisper message, then the bot is fucked again, and then I'll just have to show you by hand. But Bobs and Angels is the fix, and the map has gotten a bit large. Things have happened over the Christmas period. Oh, and I should be constructing this again. Down here. So this all goes in now. And now we need to connect these up. So let's continue using yellow belt. And we upgrade it afterward. So this was... You're combined with the electronics. And you go in the top one. Why the long-handed inserters are pulling from the splitters? These are not all long-head inserters. These are short-head inserters. The only one is this that is a long-head inserter. These are stack inserters. Just curious why the long-handed inserters are pulling from the splitters. And usually you do this kind of setup because long-head inserters, because they have to reach that far, they're slower. So if you do it like this, you can use a fast inserter and it's faster. This is more or less a thing you need to do in vanilla Factorio. Technically with Bob's inserters I just could make this a long-head inserter, but I like to keep my playstyle as vanilla as possible in the event I play vanilla again. If I focus on all the mods and I start playing vanilla again, I'll just completely lose it. So this goes there. You go there somewhere. Oop. My paint game is completely out of it. And then, oh, now we merge it up like, oop. No, we merge it up like, did I merge this stuff up down here? I'm an idiot. Don't do it like this. It has to be like this. Because it needs to be half belts. And then you go under. Technically this is far enough. So you go like this. This will come from further down. There they are. Let's remove all of you for now. Didn't I? Ah, okay, I see. This won't really fly. We can do it like this. You go down, under, over. And then just place the splitter over here. Merge it up. Yeah. And even though you do not really need stack inserters for this stuff, I'm only making stack inserters. Well, I do have these normal express inserters and these normal turbo inserters, but yeah, stack inserters are just so much better. Okay, they do consume more power. Like double it, but meh. Meh. I don't care. Let's maybe pull this along here. Oh. And here. And we could just also yeah. Then pull it up, then pull it in. And then we can do something like this. There you go. And you go under, and you go under here. Then I have one of these. Should actually just use yellow belt for now. And I'll paint it later. So then this is connected, you're connected, and you... Oh. Man, these robots are being fast. There. This goes in over there. Stop it, robots. That could work. And the final part we need is these boys. You go back up, you go back up, you go back up. Where did we go in? There. And move it around. Okay, that's the electronics done. Now we need to paint this boy. Red. So you need to be red, and you need to be red. You need to be blue, and you need to be blue. Yeah. And then both of these are purple. Oh, wait. Yellow to purple, please. Yellow to purple. Yellow to purple. Copy this over, copy this over. This is all fast, this is fast, this is fast, this is fast. This will all be purple, 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 purple. You and you. Yep. And this will be red. This is red. This is red. You're red. You are red, yes. This is going. And together they are purple. Also, I probably can, yeah. Yep. Oh, look at this. It's already going through. So that side's prepared. Now to make you guys copper, gold, and fiberglass board. We are basically doing the same braid we did down here, over here in reverse. So let's see. I also have to... Wait, this is... these are the wrong way around. Dang it! These are outputs. Well, I could top load. But nevertheless, these are the wrong way around. And I have the same problem down here, haven't I? Yes. These are outputs. And we will see if we will push out at the top or at the bottom. Let's just see how tight the build gets. There we go, and other way. Very good. There it is. Okay, inputs. These are two inputs. So... if we use the same system we did down there, it'll be this and this. Oh wait. This is an input. And what are you? You're also an input, aren't you? Yes, you are a input for solder. Should be fine. Then add this to the mix and maybe even complete it. So that would be 3 of these, and then we would need a 4th one for the solder input, which is this one. This is solder input. Okay. Oh, we can just interleave it. Ah, that's going to be disgusting. I like it. That's almost something like a bus. A bus in this base? What the fuck is going on? You go under there. You go under there. You go under there, and then we need you. And this will then be the 3 inputs, which will be coming from over here. Let's set this real quick up. Also, let's use yellow for now. So we need one which is going to be merged. One who's going to be direct. You are going under. So it's going to be like this. And then pull it along. This. Okay. And then the question remains, do we have space to pull out the output? No, we don't. So the output will go through the top and then into the output over here. Now we need to mirror this. Also, what's going on over here? This is... Well, first of all, you're not required. Okay. And then let's set this stuff up. So it's basically on pipe height. Yeah, it's here. Just had a small minor brain fart. Nope, that's incorrect. What do we have there? Peace Masturbator. No, actually not Peace Masturbator, it's Peso Masturbator. Hello, in the end I found Bobs and Angels too complicated for me, so I'm going with Factorio and Industrial Revolution. That's also a combination I want to try out soon. Because it does sound like a good combination, because Industrial Revolution improves the beginning of the game, and Factorio improves the end of the game, and I have the feeling that they will play very nice together. Also... Wait. Oh, this is the solder input. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I really enjoyed Industrial Revolution. It's a really good orchestrated mod. It has just the right amount of complexity without going overboard, and I really enjoyed it. So you go here. I can highly recommend it. Oh, and also the colors. The colors are so amazing. All the laser assembly machines changing their colors depending on which material you use. Amazing. So and then we need something down here. Only the intermediate products are a bit overboard. In the end, in my Industrial Revolution playthrough, I ended up building every intermediate product as part of the factory chain. So I had these big, clunky facilities which only used plates as an input and built everything in place. But that did work really nice. So pull this along, to on over. Oh, I'm missing one over here. Oop. No, you need to be. Oh, have I beansed it? I have completely beansed it. I think this is correct. Yeah, going into the Steel Age is a high priority ASAP in Industrial Revolution. And once you have electricity, the game is really enjoyable. When I played it, it wasn't possible for burner inserters to feed from other facilities, so I had to place burner inserters which fed burner inserters, which was a bit weird, to be perfectly honest, but in the end it worked. Excuse me. One up, please. Thank you, robots. But yeah, the whole burner madness at the beginning is a bit much. But once you get past it, it's really, really enjoyable. So yeah, this is like this. You can activate it in the mod settings. There is an option for that. Also, is my chat coming through on the stream? I'm only reading chat in the stream manager, not looking at my OBS screen at all. Seems to be there. Well then, it's done. We have to check the ratios for the inputs. Then again, they only feed in 1 every 10 seconds. Ah yeah, it's going. Okay, we need 1 fiberglass. Okay, basically we need 1 input per second. Crafting speed is not even 1 per second. What am I talking? 1 every 10 seconds. So 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6, 2, 2.4, 2.8. Yeah, this is all yellow belt. This is yellow belt. Then we only need to set... Do we need to watch ratios or something? No. The only thing we have to watch out about is where we send the solder. Solder is middle 1. You filter out solder. Which is here. Then one of you filter out the plates. Let's say you do gold. And you do copper. And you do the boards. Oh wait, boards is here. Oh, that means this. It's not symmetrical. So, you do this, you do this, you do this, and you do this. Now let's just place them so I can check. Good, very, very good. Madness, I tell you, madness. Oh, we do need to fix up the output, but let's power pull it up, and let's see where things go from there. So first of all, oh, I also need, did I forget the train station again? There you go. So that's now in. Then we need one here, one there, And let's see where we place the remaining ones. Let's go along the train line. And then we have to get in here. Like this. Ah, perfect. No power pole gore. This is going to be the absolute symmetrical facility ever seen. And then some lamps. Let's see, let's place lamps on the other sides of the power poles. And then some here in the middle. And then other side of the power poles. And some in the middle. Huzzah! Other side. Now we also need some power poles over here. And here. And here. And here. And then it's going to be top, 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 top. Ah, I never ever flip the pipes around, so... And it has to be top like this. That'll be fine. And let's add some power. Not some power, some lamps. And then some in the middle. And then the same over here. Lamp, 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 lamp. Lamp, 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 lamp. Ah. Good, good, good. Now we need to get our stuff out. We make of these crafting speed is 4. So a row has 7. So 1/10.7, 2.8 per second per row. So 2.8, 5.6. And then it's something like 11.2. This is all yellow belt. So, but it all comes on one side. That's a bit annoying. We could just do it like this. You move up. Merge. You move up. Merge. You go down. And then merge. And we should also do something with these fluids. So, station time. Output. Let's take the track with us. I would say this is a bit too tight. Let's place it over here. And we're also almost running out of... Ooh, this is going to be annoying. Also, almost running out of space over here. There it is. I'm not cutting any corners. Perfect. Good. And then we also need a fluid station. And that's going to be right next to it. Let's keep a bit of distance so that we can do a better pipe job. And maybe no, we can't fit anything else in here. Okay, first of all, the pipe job. That sounds fine. Can we just copy it like this? Ooh. Oh, autosave. Oh, speaking of autosave, we've still got a bit of time. This won't work. So getting around this corner will be... It's possible. Oh. And then we will also have to balance the stuff. So in case things go weird. So we go back in and go over. Oh. No, wait, this is... Can we just do a duck and cover? Yeah, we can do a duck and cover. Like this. This one has to go. This one has to go. This one goes here. And then we need some loaders. One goes in. You go into this one. Very good. Yeah, I left enough space. So, yeah, this again. You're going over, you're going in. Then we merge it up. No, not like this. Wait a minute. Yeah, you go in like this, you go in like this. You go up and over. You go under, over. Then we merge it up. And then we feed it into here. Same down here. Under. Ah, shit. Well, we can probably move some power poles. If I have to make the next level of power poles just to make this machine work, then we'll have to make the next level of power poles. So you go straight. This is going to be a bit tight. Then like this, go up, go under. It's just gonna fit. we need to leave some place for a signal, so we're gonna go the other way over here. Yeah, that's better. And now we can place some signals over here. So this is all being placed. Very good. So we have the problem that... Okay, let's move over here. Perfect. We just shimmy these over by one. And that'll work. Shimmy you over by one. And it'll also work. Okay, roboports. This thing is so big, it requires roboports. One here, one there. Also, it requires roboports because this one's going to go. Then we need the tank. There's one. Let's place you... Actually, let's place you here. This should be fine. And then you. And let's copy this over. There, 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 there. And you need to be one of these. Same on the other side. Ah, wait. Well, this works. This'll technically work. So here, there, here, there, here. Then you need to be one of these. Excuse me. Oh, I'm an absolute idiot. And then do it like this. Turn you around. We almost got it. Turn you around, you around, you around. Actually, pick these up. Turn you around, pick this one up. Place a station over here. Then we need power poles over here. Also add some lamps so we can see. Then we also notice we missed this one completely. Same down here. Okay, I can't place a requester yet. Because we have to wait on these tanks. Well, we can already place a requester. So, first order of business. Place you. there, and place you there. Also, get moving, robots. So, this will be over here, over here, over here. Oh. I always forget that this is always part of the template. Can I? No, I can't. I have to wait on the tank. So, you are going to be a requester. Deactivate your bullshit mode and you pick up ferrochloric solution. Like 50,000 of it. Get going. You are a provider. What do you provide? Whatever it is that is going to be in over there. Then zoom, zoom, zoom. Copy, paste. As a provider, you negate the train and you read from the LTN. Good. That'll come soon. Let's do some quick signal work. And then this. On the other side. Let's see. Also, I think... Well, it's not a perfect fit, but it's a good fit. Place you here. You're also going to be a requester. Deactivate your bullshit mode. Things you request. Fiberglass boards. Gold. Really gold? Yes, gold. Didn't I set this up already? Oh, maybe not. Gold. Copper. My gut feeling tells me I've already done this once. Gold solder. So that's these three. And you also require solder. Yeah. And order up, say, 40,000 of these. 40,000 of these. 40,000 copper plates. That's 120,000, so also 20,000. Oh, 20,000 solder. And I'm so glad that we have left some space for a solder on roller. So, in, out, out. Place you there. You're connected, and you keep up to 300 solder in there. Also, upgrade these machines, please. So now we need to hook you up and hook you up. Place one of these, copy, paste. Negates the LTN and read from the train. And that's it. Green circuits online. It's a very mesmerizing factory. Oh, and there are still some parts missing. This is really only going to output 2 yellow belts. That's not so much. That's nothing. Also, my facility may be in stand down. Let's see. Oh, and let's maybe take a quick break first of all. So see you around.